29,000 miles on this one. 2014 Bone Stock. Passenger side now. That's what I heard it on my first one. My very first video was on passenger side. AC was on at the end there. I kicked it on. You can hear it click on. Sounds healthy to me. We'll see. I've got to listen back to the video, but so far it sounds good to me.